Are you also manually saving the data of your website leads and afterwards you are manually typing WhatsApp messages for them? Then this video is definitely for you. So let me fill my website form and I'm going to show you the magic of the automation which I have created using an automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to fill my website form providing the user's name as demo user, email as demo user @pabblytunes.com, and here I have provided the phone number. Now let's submit it, and here my form has been successfully submitted. Now the details of my lead will be instantly added to my Google Sheet. So for checking it, let's move on towards my Google Sheet where you can see that we are receiving the data of my lead. Same as filled by my user, that is the full name, demo user, email and the phone number. And not only saving the data, this automation is going to instantly send WhatsApp message to my this lead. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp where you can see that we are receiving this message which says hi demo user, and right here this message depicts that we are sending personalized message without doing anything manually. So now as soon as my user will fill my website form, the data will be automatically saved to the Google Sheet and the WhatsApp message will be sent. So now you can also automate this entire process by using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool that help you to integrate varieties of business applications. And the best part is you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating these automations. You just have to simply integrate some applications following some steps. So now I'm going to show you what those steps are. So for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page, which you can get by typing the URL of Pabbly Connect over your browser, that is pabbly.com/connect. And right here we are on the landing page where you will be getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. So make sure to try it for freely now. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. You might get other coupon codes as well, but they are going to provide you just 5% off on your purchase. But by using my coupon code, you can get the discount of 6% off. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, and right here it is asking me to select my trigger application. So I'm going to initiate my this workflow as I will receive a new lead over my website. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Webbook by Pabbly, because for connecting my website with the Pabbly Connect I need this application. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as Catch Webbook Preferred. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and now we are getting this Webbook URL which will help us to build the connection between my website form and Pabbly Connect so that I can easily fetch the data of my website form to the Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this Webbook URL, and now let's move on towards the code which I have created for my this website form. So right here I'm on the code of my website form, and here after this word fetch I have added this dummy URL which I'm going to replace with Webbook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect. Now let's just save it, and now the data received will be sent to this webbook, that is the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that it is waiting for webbook response. So now let's fill this website form and receive the webbook response. So here I'm going to provide the full name as smart user, email as smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and here I have provided the phone number. Now let's click over the submit button for submitting our website form, which is successfully submitted. Now we will be getting this data over the Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that 3 seconds ago we have received this response consisting all the details which I have just filled over my website form. So by using this application, that is Webbook by Pabbly, you can also get a Webbook URL which you can add in the code of your website form, and the data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can automate your entire process. So I want to add this lead to my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my first action application following this trigger application, that is Google Sheet. And now let's select the app event as add new row and click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account and allow the necessary access. Now we just have to click over the save button. And here we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet. So here I'm going to save the data in my this spreadsheet named as website leads. And now here we have to enter all the details of my lead. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type the details like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So right here I'm going to map my user's full name from the response which I'm receiving from webbook by Pabbly, as this is my previous application. And the process is just simple. You have to select this field and press this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map my user's full name. And now let's map the email address. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the phone number too. So here I have mapped the phone number as well, and these fields are dynamic, means these will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over your website. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and this shows a positive response, which means the data might be saved to the Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details of my user having the full name, email, phone number, which I have just filled over my website form. So with this we have successfully added the data of our lead in the Google Sheet. Now let's send a WhatsApp message toward this lead so that my leads remain engaged with my business. And now for that we are going to use another application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is a WhatsApp automation tool by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers, and not only WhatsApp messages, you can create chatbots, AI assistants, and can also broadcast WhatsApp campaigns. So make sure to use this amazing application of Pabbly. And now let's select the app event as send text message and click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection. Now we have to enter the token. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my all Pabbly apps page, where you can see that we are getting our this application, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which I'm going to access by simply selecting this access now button. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, where I have already added my WhatsApp number. And now for getting the API token, you have to move towards the settings, and here we are getting this option for API and webhooks, which you have to select. And now from here you can get the token necessary in the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So here I have entered my token, and now let's save it. And here you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly. And now we are getting this first field for recipient WhatsApp mobile number, which you can map from the response of your webbook by Pabbly. So here I have mapped it. Now we just have to enter the WhatsApp message which I want to send to my user. So this is the WhatsApp message which we are going to send to our user. And here in the place of this word name, I'm going to map the real name of my customer by mapping this data. So here I'm going to use the response and map my user's full name. And now for this field, that is recipient WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to replace this dummy number and enter my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that the message is sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for this message. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that we are successfully receiving this personalized message which says "Hi smart user," means the same name which my user has just entered over my website form. So you can see that how easily I have built in this connection, where I'm saving the data to my Google Sheet and sending WhatsApp messages to my leads. So now as a business owner, I don't have to do anything manually. Now I don't have to check for the leads again and again and save their data, nor do I have to send WhatsApp messages manually to them, because this automation will instantly capture the leads, save them to the Google Sheet and send them WhatsApp messages. So now you can also automate your entire business task by using this amazing automation tool. And you have seen that how easy this is to build the automation in Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.